Hello YouTube, welcome back current subscribers. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. Today I'll be replacing the cabin air filter in this 17 Cruze. First step, open up the door and move the seat back. Next, open up the glove box and we're going to take off the side cover. And we could leave it like that. Next we're going to remove the side trim panel. Go. Next we're going to remove the fuse box door right here. And now we're going to loosen the fuse box cover. That's all we need. Now we're going to unscrew the screws. There are 5 of them total. One right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. And the final screw is right here. There's the screw. Now, in addition to those 5 screws, there's a push-in rivet, which is located right here. Take out the push-in rivet. Unscrew the 5 screws with a 7mm. Now we're going to remove the glove box. Now, you have one tab right here, which you're going to lift up. You have 2 clips holding it in up here. So now just pull out the glove box. Now that the glove box is moved, Carefully set it down. Watch out for the wire. Now we'll locate your filter access door, which is right here. Loosen this tab. Loosen this tab, and it opens. And take out the old filter. We'll slide it under, twist, and pull. This is gonna get messy. Okay, nice and easy. Now we're going to grab a vacuum cleaner. Now we're going to install the new filter. Make sure the arrow is pointing down and install your new filter. There you go, new filter is in. Close the door. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Now to put everything back together. Now we're going to put the glove box back in. Alright, now let's get the screws in. They don't have to be tight. That's good. Now I'll put the push-in rivet back in. Make sure it looks like that. Alright, put the fuse box cover back in. There we go. I'll put the fuse box door back in. There we go, that's in. Now, put the side trim panel back on. Alright, that's on. Now finally put the side cover back on. Good. That's it.
Alright.
You are done.